Holy crap.
当中国籍机车手被美国警察抓获，会发生什么？此时，一名全国性男子华人陈某杰挺，并迈着嚣张的步伐走过来说道：“小子，你涉嫌超速驾驶，你现在有权保持沉默，再这么说的话，将作为正式指控。”水警上扬，微笑回应：“长官，这条路没有限速标志，属于三不管地带，是不是管得有点宽？各位少爷，请瞧瞧，这条没有摄像头，没有限速标，是一条沿海公路。按道理讲，警察不会在这里执行巡逻，但今天不知道是什么情况，难道这小子想逃钱？可能是觉得冒犯了自己。”
The police took the initiative to levy taxes. He asked Mr. Chen to show valid identification. Their attitude was extremely bad. Mr. Chen has been in the business world for decades and he understands the principle that one has about one #39 and said whenever someone else #39, that's rude. So he immediately stood up and took out his second generation Chinese ID card. He continued speaking very politely. Sir, let #39. Let's talk this over. Please don't #39. Teen acting impulsive. Why don't #39? Can you take a look at my documents first? He then handed over his second generation Chinese ID card. The police officer looked at the document, which was covered in Chinese characters, and said, look. The police officer who came was a law-abiding citizen. He knew that there was only one man who could use a Chinese ID card in the United States, and that was someone with legal immunity. Mr. Chen immediately let the other party pass. Therefore, we know that this is the end of the story. See you in the red sky.